So my parents in the clinical trial always took me to my checkups, blood draws, biopsies. They were always the final decision, of course, and there for moral support and to ask questions to the doctor.
Well, my dad was always involved, my mom was always involved. So like, if I have this expression on my face, my dad, he would call them emojis. Like, my expressions on my face would be like, please don't start. He's like, I know you got an emoji, what's the emoji now? And my mom would always say, I think there's something wrong. What's wrong? And they would always automatically know.
My parents were involved by encouraging me to do it and ask the questions that I have, but they would also ask their own questions because they're my parents and I'm their baby girl. And so my health is important to myself and them as well. And so every time they had a concern or a question, they made sure to ask it. And they also encouraged me to ask any questions I also had.
For me, the parental involvement was finding the clinical trial, and my mom took me to it. She had more questions for the researchers than me. And she wasn't in the room when we did the clinical trial, but she was sitting outside of the room, so she was there through the whole process.
My mom usually helped me during the needles and stuff, and she helped me take my medication and stuff.
My parents, they mostly just kind of provided transport because I knew I wasn't going to be in any danger. I felt safe throughout the entire thing, so they mostly just gave me transport. And then at the end, my mom was like, you know, what you did was really important. This is going to be really helpful. So that was kind of nice.